Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join PixivFANBOX. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to join PixivFANBOX, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in pixiv.net. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply scroll down until you find the option that says become a creator or simply create. And then once you're inside there, what you need to do is follow the prompts to set up your creator profile, including your profile information, cover image and introduction. Then next is to configure your support plans by simply creating plans or defining the benefits and setting visibility as well. Then once that's done, what you need to do is start posting content. And then once you do that, what you need to do is set up your payment methods as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.